Hello students, welcome to our English class. So students, today we'll start with lesson number 1 and the name of the chapter is Borrowed Feathers. So before starting the chapter, let me introduce about it. This story is about a crow and the peacocks. In this story, the crow wanted to be a beautiful and attractive bird like other birds. The crow thought that borrowed feathers can make him a fine bird, but it's not true. At last, he realized that he was a crow and wearing peacock's feathers would not make him a peacock. So let's start with the story. Paragraph 1. Once there lived a crow in a forest near a king's palace. Every day he would perch on the branch of the highest tree and watch the peacock in the palace garden. So once what happened? The crow lived in the forest near the king's palace, and every day what he would do? He would sit on the branch of the highest tree and he would watch the peacocks who were living in the palace garden. How beautiful they are, he would wonder. If only I had feathers so bright and colorful, all the other crows would envy me and I would be the most attractive bird in the forest. So he was wondering how beautiful they are. They means the peacocks are. He was wondering how beautiful, colorful and bright the feathers they have. And he wanted the same feathers which the peacocks have. So now I'll ask you the questions. Where did the crow live? The crow lived in a forest. Who lived in the palace garden? The peacock lived in the palace garden. Who wanted to be a beautiful bird? The crow wanted to be a beautiful bird. So now let's start with paragraph 2. One day the crow saw some peacock feathers lying in the corner of the palace garden. Suddenly he had an idea. He flew towards the garden. Slyly he stole the feather and one by one attached them to his black plumage. So one day what did the crow did? He went to the peacock palace garden, and near that garden some peacock's feathers were lying in that corner of the palace garden. And suddenly he had idea. He went towards the garden and slowly he started picking up the feather of the peacocks and he started attaching them towards his back plumage. So now let's answer this question. What did the crow pick from the garden? The crow picked the feather of the peacocks from the garden. Who stole the feathers? The crow stole the feathers. Now start with paragraph 3. Dressed in his beautiful costume, the crow flew back to the forest. There he made fun of other crows being so ugly and dull in color. The other crow grew furious with him and started avoiding him. He began to feel lonely. He felt that a beautiful bird like him ought to live in the palace garden. He flew away from the forest to the royal garden. So one day what happened? He had dressed himself in the new costume, means he had dressed him with the feather of the peacocks, and he flew back to the forest. There the other birds which were the same other crows, he was making fun of the other crows. Why? Because now he has become a beautiful bird, and the other crows were very furious about him, and they were just avoiding him. So because of that this crow has become very lonely. So what he thought? Now I should not live in this forest. I should go to the royal garden. So he went to the royal garden. So now let's answer this question. Why did the crow make fun of other birds? Because now he was a beautiful bird. What did the crow feel? The crow feel that now he is a beautiful bird and he should live in the palace garden. Why were the other crows angry? The other crows were angry because he was making fun of the other crows. Now let's start with paragraph 4. When the peacocks in the palace garden saw the crow dressed up in their feathers, they laughed out at him. They flew over to him and plucked out the borrowed feathers. The crow was badly injured. He learned his lesson and flew back to the forest. He realized that he was a crow and wearing peacock's feathers would not make him a peacock. So the crow went to the garden, and when the other peacocks saw him in the garden, they started laughing at him because they were wearing the peacock's feather, because the crow was wearing the peacock's feather, and all the peacocks started laughing at him. They started plucking their feathers from the crow's body, and due to this, the crow's body got injured, and the crow was badly injured. Then he learned a lesson and he went back to the forest. Who snatched away his peacock's feather? The other peacocks snatched away his peacock's feather. Who was badly injured? The crow was badly injured. What did the crow realize? The crow realized that he was crow and wearing peacock's feather would not make him a peacock. So in this story we have learned some new words. Perch. Perch is to sit on the edge of something. Envy. Envy means to be jealous of somebody. Slyly. Slyly means in a cunning and deceitful manner. Plumage. Plumage is a thick bunch of colorful feathers. Costume. Costume is a set of clothes. Furious. Furious means to be very angry. Borrowed. Borrowed means to take something from someone for some time. So the moral of the story is borrowed feathers don't make fine birds. Thank you.